I never knew there had been a reason why Nigeria supplied Niger their electricity. I never knew it was based on an agreement. That is why the Niger had the obligation to take their electricity from Nigeria up to 70%. I don't want to blame the history, weakness of the history in our country. Do you believe that, or do you know? I heard that they removed the history in our curriculums in schools, in some schools. This particular news is all about people, those who don't know that they have cut off the electricity that supplies Niger because of the Q story that we all know. I know most of you must have heard the cutoff that took place recently. But why I'm giving this news, why I'm shooting out this clip, is because I sense and I heard there will be a danger, because the agreement says that they should not do their own dam. Because if they do their own dam, the force and the pressure of the water, the flowing of the Niger River, will not be enough to generate enough capacity. Couple that we are not even generating enough before. How much now? If they have to do their own dam, if they, because of what we just did or what Nigeria government, the leaders are doing now, they will now decide to do their own dam. It will definitely affect the megawatts per capacity that we are our light is producing. So it is all about win-win. Nigeria decided to give them up to 70% of the electricity because they did not do their dam. Then we are getting enough, and now for a little thing you decide to cut off their electricity. That is hilarious. It is not acceptable. It is wrong. This is Western world attitude, and this is what they are telling Tinubu to be doing. Tinubu, this is a setup on you. You are missing it completely. Before I used to think, Nigeria is too generous. We don't even have light, and you are supplying others. No, on the contrary, they had an agreement, and we're supposed to keep that an agreement, no matter what happened. So, my people, we are in trouble in the future because we will not be able to have enough light. Couple that we don't even have it now. How much more this step that I have taken? So I sense danger.